What the bumbo clot are going around here?
I don't know when me come to talk,
Pamputtae
I
house.
don't know when me come to talk. Yo, a barber send me for microwave in a dog. Watch it there. Microwave barber send me for and I have a company. You see me I say?
My dog.
Barber with his straight nose and the kissable lips and the microwave hole, me have to teeth. But Barbara Pamputtae take none else for you. Me a come. Barbara, 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 the microwave hole. Barbara, the microwave. Barbara, me a come. Barbara, me a come, Barbara. Me a come with the microwave. Barbara, the kissable lips. Me a feel it. Barbara, me a come. You know.
What the bumbo clot are going around here?
I don't know when me come to talk,
Pamputtae house.
I don't know when me come to talk. Yo, a barber send me for microwave in a dog. Watch it there. Microwave barber send me for and I have a company. You see me I say?
My dog.
Barber with his straight nose and the kissable lips and the microwave hole, me have to teeth. But Barbara Pamputtae take none else for you. Me a come. Barbara, 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 the microwave hole. Barbara, the microwave. Barbara, me a come. Barbara, me a come, Barbara. Me a come with the microwave. Barbara, the kissable lips. Me a feel it. Barbara, me a come. You know.
Even all my fans them, me not gone away. No, me there, same way here. Me not gone away. Whoa, me there. Barbara, there upon the gunny side. If you want to know, what you find me come in a College Smith Drive. Them fi see too much, them fi avoid me. Barbara, there upon the gunny side. If you want to know, what you find me come in a Jonestown anytime. That's a honey garden. Them can't stop on no. Big up all my friends them, and me fi tell you no. Big up all of who they are yard and they are broad. Who follow me up, it's all about me love you know. Me not eat you know. Not eat that for my mind. I love me sip on my heart and me fi tell you no. Check it out no man. Don't fret for me, me just glad for me. Watch ya. But live and direct, nothing can kill me. And me fi tell you cause 75 hard come out of the bingo bag you know. For if you come out of my bed and tell me say somebody post a microwave to you, may I go up a court go sign it. She'll sign and get it. Then after you go tell me say it come out of your phone. You no look into that now. And say she check for me. You can't see the check there, so the check bunks. What me say walk one, you not talk about the microwave. She say it come out of her phone. She don't know which store if go collect it. Me don't know what really I go on. Trust me. I be a girl she go around me and I come around like me I play ring a rose. You know, two me tell me stop play them the game there. Never baseball me and take them in a light lick. And baseball is something soaking in your skin. You can't take them there. And them say I'm good you, them say I'm real general. I'm glad all you explain I was wrong for you.
Because the people might wonder what going on with the new page. Them think a fake page.
Explain. I was wondering what happened.
Yeah, they might wonder what happened.
And a big man tell her she should have take out a bank account for me. That's if anything they must send on. None here, not you I get no time. People, oh that look. More she come on live you know to and see me. Somebody can WhatsApp her and tell her somebody on live. Yeah. She bad. She better than chicken gun. Look a breeze did blow chicken gun come from St. Thomas coming to Kingston. She bad on it. She bad. Me don't know she bad so.
Cross you're dealing. Look raw cross like your office a Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Oh, you know that all of them.
I'm by your head biggie. So God make him couldn't have a small head and a big body. But I look retarded. Me like him so. It fits him body. I like this guy. It's for me. You have a slim matic and a big baby. This is my teddy bear. Look, take a look. Yeah. All about me and him. Junior reading a song. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. Foreign mind, but I worry Barbara mine. She know that Dahlia dear?
People so she not for the thing.
I tell you. And no, me not get nothing from my brother, people are saying. I want one come meet me one day. And she know, me gonna do the ads to the woman. Here I know when the woman give me the two pieces of clothes paper, and this thing is here. But could I take it and you don't know, you know? I said, oh, you ever take it and I don't know. So the woman not gonna want me do the ads. The woman not gonna want me do the ads. Me not eat if I go do free ads. And then you start my show, I start my own show. Me don't got injury now, but my heart for dead now. I come like Chuck Norris people. Me not swash nigga over there and come back. Me a Chuck Norris to get injured and stand up back on my foot.
Nice, guy.
That's why I will survive. Cause my heart clean. Will you take a good look? Teeth white. Mind comfortable and clean. For your heart clean, you have to go through in a life. Ask anybody that asks Father God. I don't go hear about him, but I glimpse Jesus one night time. Come come in and snow to me, come talk to me. You see this one I do, and I half of my own. A Christ himself come talk to me and say, the people them dying for see you. Them want little blessing more than them born in them bed. And true, sometimes someone and them man, or some man and them woman in a eruption, when them see me, the two of them just turn up together and say, come take a look at this baby. And me represent. Pretty, pretty Barbie. Pretty, pretty Barbie. The way I'm blessed, I want to come home from England, immigration, and hold on me. I said, we're not sending it home. I said, I didn't born here. Excuse me. I like to go home. Them said, no, stay. I said, I'm sorry, but I have to go home. My mom is waiting on me.
Tell them about the China man.
People, what them about one little China man, same like me. We will give my dance, and suppose that's 6 minute game. When me a bubble upon him in Ireland, ask the selector them. Don't go hearing on my ears. Ang Fontini, Chini, Ganganina, I say, Mr. Chino, go on. Him juke me on my side and say, I like how you're whining.
Good evening.
Liona! Yeah. Shall come out, yeah. Yeah.
Hold on, somebody say something right or so.
Hey, them not ready yet.
Hey,
Sir.
so you say, yeah, I'm going to stay humble. This the person you sing on humble. This.
What am I saying?
There you so got it.
Me and him now go at it. Me and him now go at it.
Come off your level, guy.
Me and him are going to stay firm like we're up on stage. Yeah, me and him now go at it. Once your mind clean, you have to go through. So whatever put up that it now go through. When the boss mind dirty, she can't live herself alone. She have to live for others. Means for others people. Ask anybody, whether in my community or anybody. Me not tight. People have to eat, old people have to eat, young people have to drink. And me if you tell you no, a sub life go, you can't live for yourself alone. And then you want to pick out where you pick out and scratch out on the people. Taylor. Peter gave me
I'm gonna rob them. I can't rob Barbara. I don't have everything I wanted like already.
him carry me in him house. And the king size of me inner. I lie down in him bed, I go to sheet upon him bed. I just a roll some one night I think me up a walk garden. Me not stop roll. And look how my body slim. Me just spin over in him bed. And me fi tell you. Me that one if me that dance go and me turn gig. In Bath, me I hear Whitley Houston a sing. Then I just know long me not hear them song there. When I tell him play a sticky one, I start to stick it up. At least him I try remember her. Can't turn back from her, but I give you bad look. Set up like when we run out for fall. It can't work. A raging storm. You mad? Me Barbie said that. I'm not using that page. So if she trick on eat tricks with a lot of color. A cheese countries and Bigfoot me like. Me not like tricks. So nobody can trick me so easy. Yeah. I don't like tricks. I like banana chips people. I like cheese crunches. I like Bigfoot. I like little sandwich biscuit. Them I don't like tricks. It's full of purple, green, pink, yellow, white. I don't know where it come from, which country. But I know some tricks in it. That's why I don't like tricks. And I like chance. That's why I give chance. But when I can't pick no big number, I leave it alone because the small balloon them pop up my jawbone. I'm the pan. Nothing can complete. When I time I think I'm going to pop a children's hospital.
Them say you switch. Tell them say no switch, you switch. Just the people not treat you right. Your manager.
Me not switch. People do not hear me. I say, all I mean switch. When somebody send something to you and you not get it, all I mean switch. It's not switch. I'm going to ask her in front of me or behind me. How much time I ask her? What about the microwave? Where? I don't forget. And the people them call you and tell us to go call it up at the store. You tell me over the phone. Then she go tell me say she in her deep sleep. And the man should make it come off her phone. All that. All that just come off her phone and she say everything else. You tell me now?
But see, her brother say, she did say, what is for you is for you, and what is for her is for her. So you don't understand how she rob you. How she rob you before where she get up for she and where you get up for you. That means you get your money then.
Look. You see the last ads me do? You see the first one me do? And I stripe tight. She give me 8 grand. I don't know how much man get. I'm never interested. Because she say I'm in her apart. You see it? I'm never really interested. So she give me the 8 grand. I'm just hold it. She carry me to some local studio with me I get some local 6 grand. What did she carry me over Friends for Real studio? And the boss himself give me 3 grand. True, she said the boss give me 3 grand. I don't remember some me do it. I don't know how much she get. More when we reach a Pamputtae, the sailor man. Like two me and Olive. I tell her I buy this chicken. When I she pay for it, she tell me for pay for it and go 1,000 she come out her car with it. I don't ask her that. Because I don't lie me I tell. I need to tell a lie pan a girl. Or no man. Nobody me need to tell lie pan. You hear that? I hope things are reach me but I not talk. But I just feel to come out now because people have been calling me. And I tell me say, shall write pan it like a me a write. I say, but Pamputtae wagwan. Big up Pamputtae my boss. You don't know some other backlock, if anything, Ray. And me I write it as she I write it, because I not use that page there again. I not use that page there again. This one I talk on, this number, this I do it. Yeah, or no dial my number.
You know IG page of Barbara _ the Barbie.
460-1918.
Barbara _ the Barbie.
This page name, Barbara _ the Barbie. Yeah. Not over, _ the Barbie. So you know it's a big thing. Loving all people.
So you don't talk to them now?
Yeah. Look more before I tune in again. Because I come out now white like nurse.
People don't say enough go over.
Now I drink some drink some juice. I buy some get some juice out of the fridge. Cause now I'm a mouth lip white like powder upon it. You see say my treat me good? Not my boss. Boss a basket, my general. Some forget something to drink. Soon come back to him, just stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple minutes, you get me?
So you ready for the road? You ready for touch a party?
Yeah, they're ready.
Touch ready. You know how go for support.
Like you like sit down on it slimmers. My style like the style, body night fit for true. You cock up like a bike.
Yeah.
She put up all her baby on my page and people have comments about it or she Pamputtae put up her son. I'm gonna have my pity. I say no man, allow that. Ask her in front of me and behind me. I say no man, allow that. I youth that and I love youth. Anybody will know me, man or woman.
Somebody says so what you're saying, Pamputtae never treat you good.
Them deaf, them not hearing ears. Yes. Them not judge her if you have
Think
cross
that
Christian.
bumps in her.
I let them there.
Bumps.
Them not judge.
So you gone left me.
No, I'm going if you're man. I'm going if you're back down woman. I'm Father God called me and said,
Want somebody to buy chicken on them.
That's all?
Want somebody to buy chicken on them.
Again, see?
You want a back of water?
No, I'm used to that. You have to break yourself in alone. One day, probably you can buy the back of water. I'm going to drink and start when my belly. I have to break myself.
Yes.
Number 3 I go play now. See everything pretty sure.
Then you don't take your money and buy this. I mean, I get 19 yesterday, you never buy it. Oh, you're wicked, so. That's why if you buy a crab, you're going to get crab loads. Because you buy a bad number. What's wrong? You get 19 yesterday, you never buy
I
it.
said, pay the 23. They price.
BBC.
So when you go buy the chicken for them.
Them say you look like a teddy bear, Barbara.
Ooh.
See that?
Them not say, look how teddy bear chubby.
I mean, them say
slim.
look like a teddy bear, man.
Ah.
They say, yo.
All the way down with kid. Them not come off, you know. Your phone will go to 10,000. People, I love you, you know. And guess what? You spend time when you hug me up, when you feel joy and I feel mice. Because one thing we do now, we don't smell nothing bad. Because when I start sneeze, I mean that green and when I dip on action. Love you know. God bless everybody. Love you know. Soon tune in and go to some more vibes because vibes can't stop.
Somebody say take sleep on mat that somebody else come with a bigger money. Them are going to style it too. So they must have never style it.
If not a style for style, I can't stylistic me there. I'm not there where it's at. And the money do this, I love do it. It's a money, break friend. And the money do this. Art of love, do it. You see, if you love someone, alright, people, take a for instance, and look on the flowers. Once you love a flowers and plant it, water it every morning, every night, every noon, you see it grooming. You see, once your next door neighbor eat you, or whoever eat you, and you start treat that flowers bad, look if you don't see it dry up. Just like on the body, when the band not pretty, when I get old, when get ugly. And the money do this. A live thing do this. The art of love, protection from this. So you hear that? Body can't take money dry me, I'm coming to destroy you.
I really get them word the name of Barbara. I mean them at all, but them not can't jam me up, man.
What kind of money?
Hmm?
What kind of money?
I don't know.
My general now use the money dry me out. Him like me, my body fit him. And anyway, I go, him like the appreciation. Guess what? My general just love the laughing. Say I come up and tell of it, I saw him love it. But she rob me. She want rabbi. And then she want me dead for come at my funeral. She mad.
Yeah, but general take good care of her
Look how my body cock up more.
blood clot. Show him and cock it and shake it for them.
I'm like a springtime people. I mean to tell you now. I'm like a springtime.
Yeah.
You can't bother with that people. Come truth for me. I'm going to show you truth. Come here and show you truth and you hide the facts from me. Why you hide it from me? When you come on, the man who not very say, who not know me I talk about. Can't hide it from me, and I'm here your part. Me even turn
Them are coming with them negative comments and a girl I say, so why you this her up? And I tell her, me them know straight and this
And
her,
the
this
people
her,
here.
she her, this you up.
That's it, picture. Me can't bother. And this thing, you don't understand, no go school. And this thing, it's not a this, and now you me talk, I tell you the reality. So when I say me a this, why you call this? What you call this? It's not a this or me a discriminator or a tell lie pan her. Me a tell you the fact, honestly. That's why I don't like that two more time. Shut them off here, man.
Barbara, but when them attack, you have to pay them no mind. When you follow them up, it's like a strength you give them.
Hello?
Barbara, God left me though.
She say it's a shot down. Love my life. House on it, house on life. It's yours?
Mine.
Okay.
Weird that going on.
Tony, I'm going to buy the chicken.
Alright. One bucket of chicken. Taxi shop. That can buy.
Hey, mommy! And that check Jesus, you know, he's still on the whole multitude. And the cop throw 3 times. I know for everybody, I say, you know, someone I'm not going to betray me. When you look.
No, but Barbara, now watch your face, man. Give another 5,000 tomorrow. What did they tell them borrow for you? Okay, I'll have for self work, I'm going to do it.
So why you give me a silver?
No, man, I'm going to do this. Barbara.
China call France. When the phone? When the phone?
Buy a book.
Barbara.
Buy biscuit and so. Biscuit and so?
You got the taxi fare? You got $1,000 for your taxi fare now?
Give me about 55.
You ever flip that or that?
Go on with her. Cause get enough ketchup, you know them like the ketchup. Then quickly I tell you I'm foolish that I'm talking about to the phone, them don't want to play with them today and don't control my them cause they're 3 miles.
Barbara, guys, about you. Ready, I know.
It's not them, it's Shania. Shania, Blooming.
You prepare good. So guys, a bathroom charger. And of course, Barbara, her man, she just attack her mind, because from there she didn't care her talk, so she want to talk her mind from life, you see me? Me and Pamputtae have nothing. Pamputtae a woman, me a man, me not have woman strength. All I want to look out for be a Barbara go at it, that can't go at. If you take up Barbara for make money for Barbara, I have money already, that can't, me help Barbara, ask Barbara the amount of clothes. Me right now, Barbara have an iPhone 7 that come from foreign. But they are bad. Papa, cut up a spiff for me though. So send us some credit, I have credit on my phone. Yeah, over there. Barbara, ready for touch right now.
Mommy, the glue and the comb on my careful, yeah?
You want a spliff? Your service done? Eh? Service from other phone down tomorrow. Put it up back. You ready, Barbie? You want to drive? Come and drive. You have to drive me. Go on the driver's side, Barbie. Oh, you put on the stuff?
I got me on your drive, yeah? Go the whole the front seat, yeah?
No, hear me say no. The car can't move from here to say if you not drive.
Hi!
But
Worries in the dance, worries tonight.
come no, my boss, man. You have to pull up my party or what going on.
I don't know which part of the party.
Come in, me direct you, come in. You have the car key, get the car key for me there. You not come around?
Nah. Goody, going at the front, no goody. You know you're not money quitting, no, going at the front. You make it make
Barbara not follow up nobody. Barbara good over here. Blood
people them not understand.
Them check say ungrateful, but they don't understand say
Them not
styling
understand.
get you see me?
It's not ungrateful. You don't understand the thing now? You not hear me say. All you not hear me say I'm not dumb and ungrateful. It's all about she'll get the things them. She'll tell me herself say yeah. Me get them. When me ready for them, me can't get them. Them a come out her phone. All them a come out her phone, so me not understand it. Me not understand it. As when me tell them say people all the time me say I put up on my page. Me say, what have to do with me? And I ask her that. And me tell her say make him stay. Cause she say she gonna take him off. Me say no, don't take him off. Make him stay cause I like him. So how would I be ungrateful? Me like tell them no, so me not use a page there. So no one get no more story upon it.
Say
that me
say Barbara underscore the Barbie. DIBARBIE.
Right, that page I'm using. Or contact me upon 460-1918. I now use Pamputtae page, so whatever you send upon it, or whatever you not look for upon it, you're not going to see anything.
Yeah man, I got to go around now man, that's why she attack her mine.
So it's all about, so now I can't trick nobody again. Alright, well, I'm general, apart from my general, you know, one of my general are foreign. Shout me and say, a girl, a call, for want my number for send and I think come give me. Oh no, me not get it. The man called me in person himself and say, Barbara, you get ready? I say, no. The man say, lie, me I tell. I say, why should I tell lie? So I go and carry my phone, go give some man. And the man say, Ray. I so come the man and believe. The man ignorant and dark. Him say, how comes that? And the girl published the thing right over, say she didn't want to get contact to me. Me not get nothing. So me not tell her upon her for and not tell me say, me a turn bad mind. Me not bad mind. I have a good mind. So me tall. My mind tall, so it clean. I have to talk my mind.
And the year she say people.
Enough thing I am, but me just there hold it. Alright. When I ask her what there, when me and her go uptown, I ask her a question like she take me for eat that and I turn and twist me. And she said, oh, you not talk. I just couldn't take it no more. My tears start coming out my eye. And she started to cry too. And I asked her.
But look, they say if I see the repellent in it.
No man, they did it, so you just come and take it. Barbara, come on, I drive a seat, come drive now. Real man, made out me. Go now, Barbara come drive now, come
Hey.
Barbara drive.
Come on, some babes. Come on, say, yeah?
You can't say good night, Barbara?
What you say? A carrot juice and pine juice me drink all the while. Carrot juice and pine juice. I ask you, see my beef father sent for me? You see my beef father sent for me?
you build it
I
then,
want
so you
him
can
now,
build
I'm hungry. I don't mean to talk, I'm call him and say, Ray, him and give me it. My good beef father that. You must see me a sure bad man.
Oh, mosquito spray then. Pass the repellent. I'll be a mosquito now.
Lipstick in your bag? Lipstick in your bag? Red. Tell one of them to use it. Bring the lipstick from the general bed. The boy got to turn on the lip gloss.
Looking at the bag, the Gucci bag, she say a red lipstick. She give a BB look.
Come on.
So a man I try to talk Chinese, a Barbara drive and a me a drive.
I'm not talking about that, I'm telling you.
Oh, eh. See,
But
repeller there.
drive.
I'll explain them things upon my school.
Try it like.
I don't know Spanish, I
drive.
don't know Spanish, so I'm going to the trail line.
Drive.
All of a sudden, Barbara don't want to drive me again. But everything good still.
Come in, Charlie.
No, you're going to make me come out and look for Spanish.
Yeah.
Are you going to sit that for you? Yeah.
You can't drive?
That's it, that's all.
Are you the party?
My one.
No.
Come here, charge it.
Barbara drive.
Barbara with my lipstick, shall I drive too? Shall with my lipstick.
Barbara, go round by in front them.
Barbara, go on now, make Wendy come round.
I'm about a month about. August?
I'm determined for sure.
Are you lying about you?
Yeah.
I'm my little girl.
The 17 and
But
next month.
promise her not no blood clot.
Killer must sit in Barbara. One see them? Watch your licky man. See him drop there. And belly full.
It's like a lip glass.
Lipstick.
A lip-
Good one, that, Barbara. It is. You see that good? Huh?
Yo, lean me lah. See the light
One
up
rub
on.
again.
Light,
You have to rub it. One again. Yeah. She love the fucking taste it. Can't do that.
I'm putting up my makeup, people.
Yeah, if you have a makeup and say, see police stop the car, the man tell her to go and cause you look like a Barbie.
Police never stopped me yet. Once me give them a nice smile, I'm say, go through. Alright. Oh, I forgot to.
Already time, Barbara.
Eh?
I'm by your bad. Come on, man. I'm serious, you know.
Yeah, come drive the Barbara and stop me. I'm stress myself, man.
No, I like the way. You're really serious. Come on, baby.
Barbara. Them say if you have a ranking pumpkin.
Yeah, that minute tell them.
I joke at that them say me to fit around.
No, they need to say, come here, ranking pumpkin. You chat like Chinese.
Start at the car now. Oh, you have to take off yourself as you drive.
Okay, I'm going to take off more.
No, that good.
Airport, it's my dad.
Nah, they can't.
Put the foot on the brake.
They put on the brake.
Hold on. Let it go.
Yeah.
Put the foot on the brake and just touch it and let it go one time.
It's different here.
Anja. Oh.
You can't turn good.
Tell mommy say she looking at my
I don't
purse.
care, Jackie.
It's the paper.
Yeah, go ahead, use. I can't drive in a minute.
When make she be them meet come when she come free. Yeah?
Stop.
Alright, alright.
Go back on now. Let me say I drive though, so I have to talk to your dice.
Fix she.
Hmm?
Fix she.
What is? Well,
No time for she. If you look out for patrol car, Barbara was small.
you used to have a son of B13?
Everything I like you, Ramajan.
I lied. No, somebody said I remember you have it.
Up, right?
Left. Go left.
Barbara good at talk.
Oh, you're deep, though.
A Barbara wall?
Pothole.
Pothole.
Barbara was small.
Are you always a piece?
No, we. I mean, the whole bigger piece. No, we. Knock him back, then choke. Turn, go straight.
Go straight.